Hey guys, so I have some great news that I kinda announced earlier, but now it's official. So YourSandbox project is Epic MegaGrant recipient. So that means that I have more time and possibilities to spend on making awesome tutorials, and which is more important, I've been working recently on the kind of all-in-one plugin. It's the developer-ready game framework. So you can build up your game by using my modular features, which will include like inventory system, equipment, world map and minimap, some interactive stuff like landscape deformation, water interaction, physical interaction with the world, pickups, like health system, the stamina system. Just think about like a lot of stuff. So I'll include it and continue to produce a lot of updates on this system. I actually don't know whether I'm gonna be placing it on the marketplace or maybe via my Patreon, but for sure it will be completely free. It depends only on the complexity, how to produce those updates. So one more time, I'm really grateful for like being chosen one. Unreal is by all means the life changer, especially for me. Without it, I probably gonna end up being like the quality assurance engineer as I was earlier. Yeah, I'm not kind of good with speeches, but I really like community and your support. Like a lot of people here found my tutorials and my sample projects useful for their own projects, and yeah, something like this, guys. So hopefully things gonna be better with each day, more and more. And yeah, keep in touch with me. I guess I'm gonna recover my Discord server, so we can speak there, not only by email. And as always, subscribe to my channel, leave your feedback, and let's make awesome games together. See ya.